And there we are, a fantastic restaurant quality lemon chicken. Look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, lemon chicken Chinese style. Stop making soggy battered lemon chicken. Let's show you how to do it restaurant quality right now. Okay, we are going to use maltose, and as we said yesterday, I will explain what maltose is. Okay, maltose is made from natural sugars, traditionally from barley or rice. So it's used in Chinese cooking, but not as a sweetener. Okay, it's half as sweet as sugar. It's basically used as a finishing sugar or glaze for your recipes. So it's not going to be overly sweet. You still add sugar to dishes. If you're making like lemon chicken, you will still add sugar, but this is like a finishing glaze and it is half as sweet as sugar. It's got a higher burn rate in the oven, so it's ideal for oven and grill cooking. It doesn't burn like sugar and honey. Fantastic ingredient, link in the description. Go read about it. If you want to use it, go buy it. Let's crack on. Okay, lemon chicken, we're going to make it restaurant quality. Easy to make at home, come on. One chicken breast here, that's going to be enough for this dish. You want about 600 grams of chicken, somewhere around about there. This chicken breast is ideal. Now what we don't want big slices of chicken, we want thin slices of chicken. A bit like a scallop. So we're going to come in there where that tenderloin bit is, if you like. We want like coins of chicken. Now they don't want to be too thick, they have to cook. Okay. Same with this chicken breast. Again, we want coins of chicken. Okay, so we got this lovely thickness of chicken there. Look, just what we want. Nice and steady. It'll be a quick fry. Beautiful. Okay, so this is potato starch in here. And what we're going to do is coat that chicken after we've marinated it, but I just want to get it out of the way. This is baking powder, so we're going to put that in there. Just give that a little mix through and shove that to one side. Now we need to make up a very brief marinade for this chicken. Okay, so grab a bowl. So we want to grab some light soy sauce, and we want about a tablespoon in there. Want about the same of Shousing wine, a teaspoon of oil, an egg white, a little shake of white pepper, and a little shake of salt. A little mix in, and then we're going to put our chicken in here. So get your chicken in there and bring it in. This is our marinade. Make sure you fully coat this chicken. It's like a tenderizing marinade with that egg white on there. 10 minutes only. Okay. Okay, we can sneak ahead with this one. We can make the sauce in here and then we're going to warm it up on the hob. Okay, so we got a pan, and we are coming in there with our super sticky maltose. Okay, we want about 3 tablespoons of this and 3 tablespoons of hot water. So you can see how sticky it is. In there. Just get it off your spoon. It will dissolve in here, not a problem. It just looks like it won't at the moment, but it will. It will dissolve in there with the hot water. Nice little stir in there, come on. Just try and dissolve it in there a little bit, in that hot water. So we're going in there. Fresh lemon juice, the zest of our lemon. Just bring that in. Sugar for this one. Rice wine vinegar. A little bit of light soy sauce. Bring that in. Now, this is going to give a nice glaze, a nice clearish glaze. But if you wanted to make it more yellow, you add a drop of yellow colour. And it is just a little. It's a little bit too much there, but not to worry. Nice little bring in. Completely optional, you don't have to. So there you go. That is our sauce made up, ready to go on and warm up to thicken. And what we'll do, we'll probably add just a little bit of cornstarch slurry to make this into a thick sauce. There you go. Just put it to one side. Bring back in our chicken, our potato starch and baking powder. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to get some oil on in the pan, and then we're going to take our chicken, we're going to dust it in all of this, and we're going to fry it straight away. So we want to be giving this chicken a dusting of this. So this chicken in there. A little bit of oil in the pan. Enough to fry your chicken. Start introducing your chicken. It's a light fry. We don't want dark colours on here. Nice and light. And you don't have to crowd the pan. Nice and steady. Little turning over. Not too hot, it doesn't have to be too hot, you know, and the chicken's so thin it's going to cook. A little golden on here, don't brown it. Okay, out that lot comes, in with the rest until you finish. On a rack, a little bit of kitchen towel under the rack. That'll collect all the drips of oil, and this will stay crispy. Chicken cooked, out it comes. Let's get that sauce warm through. Okay, we got a little bit of potato starch and water here. In there with a little bit. We might have to add some more. We just want to thicken this up a little bit so we have a nice glossy glaze over our chicken. There we go, we got a nice glaze there. That's flame off, let's get served up. Come on there. On there with that chicken. Just took a couple of bits of lemon in there. just for presentation. And some of that wonderful glaze on there. On there, a little bit of green onion, give it that different contrasting colour. And a little bit of sesame. And there we are, a fantastic restaurant quality lemon chicken. There we are, high-end lemon chicken. Look at that. How easy is that? Look at this. This is not soggy chicken. This glaze sets, so that has still got crunch under there. There, did you hear that? Look, I've come, oh, fabulous lemon flavour. That is how you get that crunchy lemon chicken, even though it's got sauce on. Again, oh, it's amazing. Oh yeah. There is no other way that you can get the crunch unless you make a maltose sauce. For all those people that love lemon chicken, this one's for you. That is off the charts. Fantastic lemon flavour. It's sweet enough, it's sour enough, it's full-bodied. That maltose just brings it all together. Real restaurant quality food. High-end food. You can make this at home, so simple. Fantastic crunch on that chicken, and obviously the chicken's very succulent and tender, as we're going to rip this one open, and you can see, look at that, nicely marinated, nice soft chicken. That is sensational. Obviously serve it with rice or whatever, but there you go. That is how to use maltose. Another one done in this series. So you can see it is worth purchasing a little tub of maltose if you like real high quality restaurant food at home. Sensational dish. There you go, you like what we're doing, share with your friends, tell them how easy it is to make real restaurant quality lemon chicken. If you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and we'll catch you in the next video. Can't get enough of this.